Nice.
Osmar,
Yes, Christian.
Osmar, what are you doing?
It's obvious that I am cleaning. I am cleaning because it's a little bit dirty here. Look, there are lots of dust and it's a little bit dirty. So I am cleaning. I am cleaning. So do you see the phrase, am cleaning? So when you use the word am, the linking verb, then after that is the progressive verb. This is what we call the present continuous. Why present continuous? Because the action continuously happens in the present. That is why it's called present continuous. An action that is continuously happening in the present. Okay, let me continue cleaning.